Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can restrict the ID on Instagram and what does it do. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then tap on message icon. Next, find the ID which you want to restrict. Then tap on it. Next, tap on its username. Then tap on privacy and safety. Next, you can see the option of restrict. Tap on it. So, this is how you can restrict the ID on Instagram. When you restrict the ID, you won't receive any more notification about that person, including if they like, reply, repost your content. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.